Did you know that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water? But have you ever wondered which are the 5 largest oceans and why they are so important? The Pacific Ocean is so vast that if you spread its water across the Earth's surface, it would submerge the entire planet under 70 meters of water. This is the Pacific Ocean, not only the largest, but also home to mysteries hidden in its depths that we are yet to uncover. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan attempted to cross the Pacific Ocean. He was so amazed by its vast waters that he named it Pacific, peaceful. But do you know how vast and mysterious this ocean really is? Can you name the 5 largest oceans in the world? If not, today we'll tell you everything you need to know about them. The 5 largest oceans are not just bodies of water, they are the heart of life on Earth. Let's explore them. If you have a world map, can you show me where the 5 largest oceans are located? If you think your swimming pool is big, it's nothing compared to the Pacific Ocean. It's like a drop in the bucket. Did you know how crucial oceans are for our future? If we understand them, we can make the Earth a better place. Here are the details of the 5 largest oceans in the world. 1. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, covering an area of approximately 165,250,000 square kilometers. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and is bordered by Asia and Australia on the west, and the Americas on the east. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, is located in the Pacific Ocean. 2. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, covering about 106,460,000 square kilometers. It separates the Americas from Europe and Africa and extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The Atlantic Ocean is known for its strong ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream. 3. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean, with an area of around 70,560,000 square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, Australia to the east, and the Southern Ocean to the south. This ocean is known for its warm temperatures and is a major route for trade, especially for oil shipments. 4th. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, surrounds Antarctica and covers approximately 21,960,000 square kilometers. It is the 4th largest ocean and is characterized by strong winds and extreme weather conditions. The Southern Ocean plays a crucial role in global ocean currents and climate regulation. 5. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the 5 oceans, covering about 14,060,000 square kilometers. It is located around the North Pole and is surrounded by Eurasia and North America. The Arctic Ocean is known for its ice cover and is highly sensitive to climate change. These oceans play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate, supporting marine life, and facilitating global trade and transportation. Thanks for watching the videos.